Hello, dear soul. You've made it to the quiet part of your day. Maybe it's bedtime for some, or perhaps you found a moment to pause. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, let's let it all go now. The noise, the rush, let it drift away like clouds passing overhead. Let your shoulders soften, your eyes grow heavy. Let your breath come gently, like waves that know their way to shore. You are safe. You are calm. And you are exactly where you're meant to be. Allow me to guide you on a journey to a place where dreams are woven from starlight and the whispers of ancient trees. With me, you'll explore the realms of slumber, where imagination dances and the boundaries of reality gently fade. And now, with your eyes closed, picture this, high in the misty hills of a forgotten land. Where rolling green meadows meet the sky, there stands an ancient castle cloaked in legends of old, majestic and timeless. Its grandeur whispers tales of knights and dragons. As twilight paints the sky with hues of fading blue and soft rose, we find ourselves drawn to the castle's weathered gates. The sound of the wind is our only guide, humming a gentle lullaby across the moss-covered stones. It beckons us closer, promising solace and sweet dreams. Before us, nestled against the edge of a moss-covered cliff, the castle rests like a slumbering giant. Its towers wreathed in emerald ivy, reaching towards the heavens. The rough-hewn walls bask in the last golden rays of sunlight, painting them warm and inviting. And there, at the heart of it all, stand the castle's great wooden doors, a silent sentinel, standing guard. They are gently closed, but not locked, inviting us to step inside. As we cross the threshold, we leave the waking world behind, stepping into a realm where time slows its pace and the only sound is the soft sigh of the ancient stones. Within these hallowed halls, the echoes of laughter and the murmur of voices linger like ghosts of the past. In this enchanted place, stone gargoyles stand their guise, their silent vigil broken only by the fluttering of a bat's wings. The scent of old oak and beeswax mingles with the faint aroma of lavender, perhaps, or dried rosemary, weaving a tapestry of fragrance that stirs the soul. As we wander further, the castle reveals its secrets one by one. In a high tower, a single window gazes out at the moon, offering a glimpse of a flickering candle flame. It dances merrily, as if illuminated not by any earthly light, but by memories that refuse to be extinguished. Imagine the cool, soft fabric of dusk settling over the land, the first stars beginning to gleam in the darkening sky. The scent of night-blooming jasmine drifts on the breeze, mingling with the earthy fragrance of the ancient castle walls. The wind whispers tales of the past through the gaping windows, and you feel a strange sense of peace. All around you, the castle breathes, its very stones alive. In the grand ballroom, the gilded mirrors reflect not your image, but phantoms from long ago. The scent of roses hangs heavy in the air. where the moon pours its silvery light through a mullioned window. Sink into the plush embrace of an ancient armchair, allowing the castle's magic to weave its spell around you. Here, enveloped in the scent of aged wood and lavender, time itself seems to stand still. Outside, the night deepens, the stars winking down at you. The wind weaves a lullaby around you, beckoning you closer to the mysteries of the night. Allow yourself to relax, dear one, and surrender to the gentle rhythm of the universe. Let the castle's ancient magic cradle you, whispering tales of courage. For within these slumbering walls, you are not just a visitor, but an honored guest. The castle that sleeps welcomes you to share in its timeless beauty, reminding you that even in the darkest of nights, magic lingers, waiting to be discovered. So close your eyes, dear dreamer, and let the castle that sleeps guard your dreams. Until morning, light paints the sky anew. You are safe, you are held, and you are exactly where you need to be.